Why can one train replace hundreds of trucks? Because rail transport is far more fuel efficient. Steel wheels on steel tracks create extremely low friction, much less than rubber tires on asphalt. That low rolling resistance means trains can move huge loads using about 4 times less fuel than trucks per ton of cargo. One locomotive can pull over 100 freight cars, spreading engine power across massive cargo weight. The result is fewer emissions, lower fuel costs, and greener logistics. Low friction, high efficiency. Follow and Silverframesofficial for transport science explained.